Ooh, hello. Where did that stain come from? I'll just use a little foam text for that. What? I don't remember that spot being on my hand before. Some more foam text should do the trick. More foam.
Hey Brian, you ready to film?
That's not what it looks like! Get out! Hello there. You're probably wondering, Brian, how do you stay so fresh and so clean? Well, a daily shower and a bar of soap, you big dum-dum. But how do I keep my shoes so fresh and clean? Well, Angelus has the answer for that. You see, Angelus provides a full roster of cleaning supplies to use for any material or any level of cleanliness. For starters, there's Angelus Easy Cleaner. It's the go-to deep cleaning solution for any type of material you're working with. All you have to do is pour it into a cup or a bowl, dip your scrubbing brush in the solution, and just scrub away whatever mess is on the shoe. Afterwards, wipe that dirt away and your shoe should be clean as new. But Brian, I'm on the go, I'm walking around, I stepped in a puddle, some mud, my inconsiderate friend stepped on my brand new shoes. I don't have time to sit down and pour some solution into a bowl, but that's okay, because Angelus has something for that too. With Foam Tex, it's a pump bottle that you can just squeeze right onto the shoe itself and scrub away the mess. Afterwards, just wipe it off with a microfiber cloth and it's good as new. Now, if you really want to get deep into that old dirt and stain, we have the all-purpose foam cleaner. It comes with a scrubbing cap so you can really rub it in there and try to get those deep dirt stains out. But let's get to the big question, the one we get the most, the one you've probably been thinking of while watching this video. Can I use Angelus cleaning products on my custom shoes? Does Angelus paint hold up against cleaning supplies? The answer is yes. Angelus paint on its own is already waterproof, and if you prep and finish it properly, it should hold up against any water or dirt. And on top of that, Angelus cleaning products are safe to use on Angelus paint. So if you have custom shoes that have just been worn, loved, and just got a little dirty, feel free to use any of the Angelus cleaning products on your shoes, and the paint will hold up. It'll stay exactly the same as it was before. And maybe you wear your shoes every day. Maybe you exercise in your shoes. And you know, they just build up sort of a stink. We've all got smelly feet. They smell. Deal with it. But if you don't want to deal with it, you can use Angelus Deodorizer. Just pump a few sprays in your shoes every once in a while and they'll start smelling fresh as new. So hopefully this video has helped you narrow down your choice for the job that you're about to take on. Whether it's leather, suede, or hard plastic, Angelus has the option for you. This has been a frequently Angelus question and we hope we answered yours. If you have another one, feel free to comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.